This is the blizzard of 2011, February 1st. Is February? It's the 2nd? So we got a lot of snow, and Rhiannon's in her really long jacket.
It's called a parka.
Okay. I like that. It's like a long dress, and there's Hey Hey. Say hi, Hey Hey. All right, good. Thank you.
Can we get in our car?
We have Andy helping us today. Say hi, Andy.
Hi.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
We have a lot of snow right here. And Casey's like warrior princess. And she's amazing. Yeah. And then I'm gonna walk to my car. They said we have to get the cars off. Yeah. This is a video, Loretta.
This is intense. Take a picture.
This is for you. Yeah, this is intense. That's why school is canceled and prayer room. And yeah, that's my car. We got to get it out of here somehow, because they said it's gonna get fined if we keep it here. But as you can see, it's kind of snowed in right here. Look at that. Look at that. We already have like probably a foot of snow. So I don't really know how I'm gonna get it out in my hand. Whew, it's cold. All right. Oh, gloves in the snow, not good. All right, guys, get me too.
Okay.
Get what? Who's that guy?
I don't know. They're gonna come help us. It's cold out here. Oh, they're getting their car. Jesus.
Jesus. Oh my gosh. The wind just freezed my nose off.
Yeah. Okay, done.
Okay, let's go.
All right, gotta get to work now.
Be my shoe.
Whew. I love you. Bye. Ooh, that wind.